Hey everybody, it's Clint with Kennan Heating and Air Conditioning, and today I'm going to talk about changing your filter. If you don't know how to change your filter, or if you just need a refresher, you want to see how professionals do it, I'm going to show you today. It's springtime right now. A lot of people are getting their maintenance done by us. If you're not getting your maintenance done by us, please at least just change your filter. If you own a house, a business, if you're a tenant, it doesn't matter. You know, a lot of tenants, they think that because they rent a home or a business or whatever it is, they feel like it's the landlord's responsibility to change the filter. But believe me, it's in your best interest to change that filter in your air conditioner. Not just aside from the mechanical failures and things that it could cause. If you have a dirty filter in your furnace or your air conditioner, it's going to cost more money to run it. You're paying the power bill there, you're paying the gas bill, whatever it is. Change your filter, have a good clean filter in it. Your system will run more efficiently, and it's going to keep you more comfortable. You don't have to worry about, as many breakdowns and things that can be caused by a dirty filter. So today I'm just going to show you how to do it. This is just a regular residential system, pretty standard. Most systems, they'll have one filter in the unit, like right here on this one. They could be inside your house, in the vents inside of your house. Those are pretty easy to see. You just take a flashlight, look up, and then you'll see the filter. There's a couple different types of filters. The first one I want to talk about is this one. If you have these, or if you're at the hardware store, wherever it is, don't use these. You see how many holes there are in it. You can just see right through it. These are garbage. They're cheap for a reason. Don't use them. They're not going to keep your system clean. These are going to let dust and all that stuff go into your coil, into your blower motor. They're going to tear things up over time. What you want to do is you want to look for a good pleated filter like this. This is a pretty standard filter that we use a lot. You don't have to buy the $20 or $30 filters, those unless you just feel like they do that much better of a job, but they have a higher resistance on them. These are just standard pleated filters. These will do a great job if you keep them changed out. Change them out every 6 months, at least, bare minimum 6 months. Have them changed out. If you have an older house, it's more drafty, it lets a lot more dust in your house, change them out every 3 months. What you want to do is, the filter size is right here on the end. You can see this is 16 by 25 by 1. This is the most common out there. Most houses take this size filter. And there's a little arrow right here that shows you the direction of the air. Now, if you go in there and you put it in backwards, and the arrow is pointing the wrong direction, not a big deal. It's not going to cause any harm to your system. The only reason this arrow is on here is because if you can see on the back, there's some metal webbing in here. So when you put this in there, the air is pulling this way. This metal webbing in here just keeps this filter from getting sucked in. So if you put it in backwards, what's going to happen is the filter is going to suck in a little bit and bow out. It's going to be a little bit harder to pull out. So you can put it in there anyway, but there's an arrow on here that tells you, or you'll see the metal webbing, or you'll see some extra, like cardboard or something on the back, just keeps it from getting sucked in. So your airflow is always going to be towards your unit. So like on this, we have what we call the plenum box, where the ductwork and everything hooks up. The filter rack's right here, so the air is going this way. So all we gotta do, pull the filter rack cover off, pull our old filter out. You see how bad that is? That's pretty dirty. That's a pretty dirty filter. It's not the worst I've ever seen, but it does need to be changed. So find your filter, going that way, slide it in there, put your cover back on. That's going to be pretty standard with most systems. Some systems, what you're going to have to do is, if you don't have this filter rack, it may be inside the actual unit. You can take these two doors off, slide it in the same spot, just slide it in there, put your doors back on. You should be good to go. Some people have a big fat media filter. Those are really good filters. They're very efficient. They do take out a lot more particulates out of the air. If you have one of those, you can give us a call. We have them. We can come out and change them for you. You can also order them online. Home Depot carries a majority of the sizes you may need. But it's the same process. There's going to be a door on there. You're going to see a little handle. Pull it off, They'll have an arrow on it. Put the arrows towards the unit. Put your thing back on. One thing I did want to talk to you about too is while you're up there, like if you're in the attic, in the basement, wherever your unit is, just take a minute to look around. If you see water outside of this unit, inside your house, then you need to call a technician to come out. You have a stopped up drain line or something has gone wrong, you need to repair. So while you're up there, just kind of take a look around, see if you have any water in the pan, on the floor, up here, anywhere like that. Just take an extra minute to take a look around. But that's all I got for today. I just want to show everybody how to change your filter, remind you to change your filter. What I tell a lot of people most of the time is when you get that really high electric bill or you get that really high gas bill, first thing you should be thinking about is changing your filter, because that's a direct correlation to your electric bill and your filter. The clean filters, your electric bill is going to be less, power bill is going to be, or your gas bill is going to be less, and all that stuff. So, but please, if you want us to come out and do it for you, we're happy. Give us a call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 678-778-1328. Kennan Heating and Air would be happy to come out. We'll actually go change your filter, go through the system, check all of your safeties, check your refrigerant, clean your condenser coil, do a full system check, get everything ready to go. Just like changing the oil in your car, do maintenance on your air conditioners. That's a very expensive piece of machinery here. You want to make sure you make it last as long as you can. Make sure it's running at its peak performance. I appreciate it. Thank you, everybody.